Welcome back to the channel. Today I will replace the headlights on my 2010 Porsche Cayenne 957 with a pair of LED units. Before we start today's video, if you guys can hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out. Let's now open the box and see what we have inside. So they look really nice. Oh, way better than I was expecting. Here you can see the units that I will install, and they are really nice. Let me just take the plastic from this one and to show you how they look. I think they will look really nice on the car. Let's start now on the driver's side, and for us to be able to remove the headlight, this is a pretty simple process. You need to take these covers, this one and this one, of course, one for each headlight, and to do that you just need to press in the front and the cover will pop up. And now let me see if I can show you here inside. We have here this mechanism that with the number 9 X key you need to push it to your right. Push it to your right and it will unlock the mechanism and the headlight will be free. Now let's see if the headlight it's already popped out. Okay, you see it came a little bit off. Now you can simply grab it and push it to the front. Slide it carefully to avoid to damage the harness in here, that sometimes the wires can be very brittle. So with a small flat screwdriver you can, here in the pin, just push it out and the connector will be loose. And that's it. We have our first headlight off. I saw some people online saying that the new headlight didn't come with this trim, this rubber trim. In my case, the headlight came complete with the trims in place. So I will just install the new one. If you don't have this, you need to reuse the one that you have on your headlight. So this is simple too. Came here, connect it. It should connect straight in here. Well, let's push it in the sliders and see how they behave. In here, and let's see if it goes. Yeah, it's locked in place. So now it is locked. It is right in place, and this cover, it's really easy to put again. You just need to insert it here and click it in the rear. At this point we have the left hand side installed and the right side is the original one, and you can see here in the projection in the door the difference is day and night. It's totally different, the brightness on the left side compared with the right side. And I can see right now that the pattern is a little bit higher, but not that much, and if you see, it follows exactly the same shape than the original one. Let's now quickly do the other one and then test it. Now with both headlights installed, we can finally see how the light projection is. Let's turn them on. Okay, they are out of level, I will need to correct them, but they are really bright, and you can see that the pattern follows exactly the mark from the original one. Let's see the high. Okay, so we have the left one a little bit high and the right one a little bit low. Let's go outside and try to fine-tune that. So let me show you. We have two adjusters here and here. The inner one adjusts up and down. The other one, it moves the beam left and right. Okay, we are almost there. You see, we need to come a little bit to the right and a little bit up. We are right on the mark, and I will leave it here. Okay, we are fine here, right on the tape. With the headlights installed, we just now need to wait for the night to test it and to show you how much better they are and the difference between the before and after.
Pedal downshift, let the spirit soar. Lines of dotted freedom stretch forevermore. Underneath the neon moon, our shadows come alive. With every mile we leave behind, we start to feel revived. Foot on the pedal downshift, let the spirit soar. Lines of dotted freedom stretch forevermore. Underneath the neon moon, our shadows come alive. With every mile we leave behind, we start to feel revived. Chasing dreams and headlights, living for the run. Navigating midnight like we're bulletproof and young. Crank the volume, break the silence, let the music fight. In this highway dreaming, we are rebels in the night. Reflectors bleed the silent code, guiding where to go. Coffee fills our veins like liquid gold, toasting to the journey with a grin that's feeling bold. Flash of thunder in the distance can't compete with us. Rain falls just a lullaby as windshield wipers fuss. In this metal freedom ship, we're sailors on a spree, cruising until daylight dawns from a blanket made of dreams. Chasing dreams and headlights, living for the run. Navigating midnight like we're bulletproof and young. Crank the volume, break the silence, let the music fight. In this highway dreaming, we are rebels in the night. In the night. We're chasing dreams and headlights, living for the run. Navigating midnight like we're bulletproof and young. Crank the volume, break the silence, let the music fight. In this highway dreaming, we are rebels in the night. Rebels in the night. Rebels in the night.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and it can be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up button and check also my social networks because I post regular updates between the videos. See you in the next one. Bye!